Welcome to Voidverse. 3i is approaching our solar system, and its origin is terrifying. What we've discovered will change everything. As we speak, something extraordinary is happening in our solar system. The object we call 3i has been traveling across the galaxy for millions of years, and now it is closer than ever to us. Welcome to Voidverse, where today we explore the terrifying journey of this mysterious visitor. For the past several weeks, astronomers around the world have been monitoring 3i with extreme precision. This is not a typical comet or asteroid. Its speed, trajectory, and behavior suggests something far more unusual. Unlike ordinary objects that drift through space randomly, 3i seems to have a purpose. Its path is calculated, deliberate, and aimed directly at our solar system. Imagine the distances involved. 3i has traveled across hundreds of light years. To put that in perspective, a single light year is about 946 trillion kilometers. This object has been moving across space for millions of years, crossing regions of the galaxy that we can barely imagine. Yet here it is, arriving at a moment when humans are capable of observing it, studying it, and trying to understand it. Scientists have used advanced simulations to reconstruct its trajectory backward in time. These simulations involve accounting for the gravitational forces of hundreds of nearby stars, planetary systems, and the galactic field. After running millions of calculations, the results point to a startling conclusion: 3i did not enter our solar system by chance. Its path is too precise to be random. Researchers identified a star system called HD 437A2 as the likely origin of 3i. This star is remarkably similar to our Sun, with nearly identical mass and age. Even more shocking is that it hosts at least 4 planets. One of these planets, located in the habitable zone, shows chemical signs that strongly suggest the presence of life. Water vapor, oxygen, methane, and carbon dioxide have all been detected, key biosignatures we look for when searching for living worlds. Here is where things get truly unsettling. 3i was not simply ejected naturally from that star system. Its trajectory shows deliberate acceleration. It appears to have been launched, directed across 270 light years of interstellar space, and aimed to enter our solar system with astonishing precision. Think about the technology and intelligence required to send an object on such a path millions of years in advance. The object has traveled vast distances, and it has arrived at exactly the right time, coinciding with the development of humans who can now detect it. Scientists have considered alternative explanations. Could it have been a natural ejection, similar to the way comets are flung into space by gravitational interactions? The data says no. The velocities, angles, and precise alignment are inconsistent with random ejection. It is as if someone or something calculated the exact trajectory needed to reach us millions of years ago. This leads to one of the most chilling possibilities. 3i could be an automated probe. A concept first proposed in the 1960s, known as a Bracewell probe, suggests that advanced civilizations may send robotic explorers to other star systems. These probes would wait silently until they detect a civilization capable of observing them, then activate to communicate, observe, or collect data. What makes 3i even more mysterious is that it has been adjusting its trajectory as it approaches the Sun. These are not random movements caused by natural forces. The object seems to have the ability to control its path, to decelerate, and to modify its orbit to remain within our solar system for study. 2 million years ago, when this probe was launched, humans were barely walking upright, making stone tools and discovering fire. Whoever sent it could not have known that intelligent life would arise here. Yet 3i is here now, active, observing, and possibly analyzing us. Experts worldwide are debating what this means. Should we attempt communication? Should we observe from a distance? Could this probe be assessing humanity as a threat, or perhaps measuring the habitability of our planet for its creators? The stakes are unimaginably high. NASA and other agencies are preparing for the critical moment when 3i reaches perihelion, its closest approach to the Sun. Observatories, both ground-based and in space, are watching every movement, every subtle change in speed and trajectory. This is the most precise observation humanity has ever conducted on an interstellar object. The physics alone are staggering. To travel such distances, survive the harsh conditions of space for millions of years, and arrive at a calculated location requires technology beyond our current understanding. If 3i AIvoice were hostile, it could pose risks we are not prepared to handle. If it is peaceful, it might offer knowledge that could advance humanity by centuries. Yet, despite all this, one fact is clear: 3i AIvoice is not a random object. It represents intelligence, design, and purpose. And for the first time, humans have the opportunity to witness it up close, to study it, and perhaps to learn what lies beyond our small corner of the galaxy. Make sure you hit like, share this video, and subscribe to Voidverse to stay updated on the latest discoveries about 3i AIvoice and other cosmic mysteries. As 3i AIvoice moves closer to the inner solar system, the tension among astronomers grows. Every observation, every measurement, every calculation could reveal something humanity has never witnessed before. The object's behavior continues to defy expectations. Unlike ordinary comets or asteroids, which follow predictable paths shaped by gravity and solar radiation, 3i AIvoice exhibits subtle deceleration and trajectory changes. These are not random. They appear deliberate, as if the object has some onboard mechanism to control its motion. Scientists have never seen anything like it. Tracking 3i AIvoice is challenging. Soon, it will pass behind the Sun from Earth's perspective, creating a period of complete observational blindness. For several critical weeks, our telescopes will be unable to detect it, leaving us blind to any movements it might make during this time. Could it change its trajectory while hidden? Could it accelerate, decelerate, or even alter its course to approach a specific planet in the solar system? The possibilities are both fascinating and terrifying. Researchers have explored every conventional explanation for its strange behavior. Could solar heating or outgassing explain its deceleration? Could gravitational interactions with planets account for its precise alignment? So far, the evidence suggests not. The object's path is too precise, its maneuvers too calculated, to be explained by known natural phenomena. The idea that 3i AIvoice might be a probe is gaining traction. Bracewell probes, as theorized decades ago, are designed to observe intelligent life and respond when civilizations reach a certain level of technological capability. This object's timing aligns perfectly with humanity's ability to detect it. 2 million years ago, humans were barely using tools. Today, we have radio telescopes, satellites, and deep space probes capable of tracking interstellar objects. The science is clear. 3i AIvoice exhibits characteristics of artificial design. Its hollow internal structure, precise trajectory, and controlled movements suggest engineering far beyond anything humans have achieved. If this object is indeed a probe, it represents the first tangible evidence of an intelligent civilization beyond our solar system. Consider the implications. The creators of this probe must have technology that allows them to launch objects across light years, survive the harsh conditions of space for millions of years, and navigate with extreme precision. They could observe planets, measure atmospheres, detect life, and predict the development of civilizations. For them, 3i AIvoice may have been a routine mission, but for us, it is unprecedented. Scientists are divided on how to respond. Some argue for passive observation, avoiding any signals or interference that might reveal our presence. Others suggest we should attempt communication, sending messages to understand its purpose. But without knowing the intentions behind 3i AIvoice, every action carries enormous risks. The upcoming perihelion, the closest approach to the Sun, is the critical moment. It is when the object will experience maximum solar radiation and gravitational forces. For ordinary celestial bodies, this could cause fragmentation or tail formation, but 3i AIvoice has already survived multiple extreme conditions, including direct hits from solar activity, without significant changes to its structure. It is robust, resilient, and possibly intelligent. Even small adjustments during perihelion could have massive effects. Scientists calculate that a minor change in velocity could alter its trajectory enough to capture it within the solar system or redirect it toward a specific target. If it is deliberate, These maneuvers could be part of a long-term observation plan. The precision required is staggering, something that challenges our understanding of physics and engineering. The more astronomers study 3I-ATLAS, the more questions arise. What is it made of? How does it generate energy? How does it survive extreme conditions for millions of years? Could it carry messages or technology from its creators? And most importantly, what is its purpose here? While theories range from exploration to surveillance, one fact remains: this object is here, now, and its presence forces humanity to confront the reality that we are not alone. The universe may be filled with civilizations far more advanced than our own, observing, studying, and perhaps even influencing the development of younger species like us. Some researchers worry about misinterpreting the probe's intentions. We often assume that advanced civilizations are peaceful, like we hope to be. But survival to an advanced stage may require strategies and behaviors beyond our moral understanding. We cannot assume benevolence. Yet, curiosity drives us forward. The need to learn, to understand, and to uncover the truth compels humanity to study 3I-ATLAS despite the risks. As the days count down to perihelion, global observatories prepare for the moment when the object will pass behind the sun. Teams are coordinating observation schedules, sharing data, and planning every possible contingency. Even after it emerges, scientists may face months of careful tracking, decoding potential signals, and attempting to understand its behavior. Public interest is skyrocketing. Amateur astronomers, space enthusiasts, and scientists alike are captivated. Social media is filled with speculation, images, and theories. Some call it the first proof of alien intelligence. Others warn of unknown dangers. The debate is intense, reflecting the profound uncertainty of the situation. And yet, amidst all this speculation, one thing is certain: 3I-ATLAS challenges every assumption we hold about the universe. It forces us to reconsider what is possible, what life may exist beyond Earth, and how fragile our understanding of reality truly is. Make sure you share this video, subscribe to AIvoice, and hit the notification bell to stay updated. You won't want to miss the next part, where we reveal what could happen after perihelion and what 3I-ATLAS might be planning next. We are on the edge of a discovery that could change humanity forever. A 3I-ATLAS is now moving behind the sun, and for weeks, we will have no visual confirmation of its path. This observational gap is critical. Scientists fear that during this time, the object could alter its trajectory in ways we cannot predict. Every calculation suggests extreme precision. This is not the behavior of a natural object. Even before this, 3I-ATLAS has defied expectations. It survived solar blasts, maintained its structure, and executed precise maneuvers near Mars. Its hollow interior, calculated trajectory, and sudden deceleration suggest something deliberate, something intelligent. The Bracewell probe theory is gaining serious attention. If true, 3I-ATLAS is observing us, waiting for the right moment to reveal its purpose. It may carry messages, signals, or advanced technology designed to interact with civilizations that reach a certain level of development. 2 million years in transit, and it arrives exactly when we can detect it. The precision is astonishing. What does this mean for humanity? It forces us to face the possibility that we are not alone. That there are civilizations capable of traveling across interstellar space, studying planets, and perhaps predicting the rise of intelligent life. The ethical and strategic questions are immense. Do we attempt communication, observe silently, or prepare for unknown consequences? Some experts warn of caution, highlighting our technological infancy compared to the creators of 3I-ATLAS. Others emphasize curiosity, the innate drive to explore, learn, and understand. Every decision matters. One wrong move could change the course of history. As the world waits, telescopes, observatories, and satellites are poised to resume tracking once 3I-ATLAS emerges from behind the sun. What will we see? Will it continue its mysterious path, revealing new anomalies? Will we detect signals or hidden messages? Or will it simply vanish, leaving more questions than answers? One thing is certain: this is a moment in history. 3I-ATLAS challenges our understanding of the cosmos, the limits of life, and the potential of intelligence beyond Earth. It reminds us that the universe is far larger, stranger, and more mysterious than we can imagine. Stay tuned. Share this video with friends, subscribe to Voidverse, and hit the notification bell. The story of 3AIvoice is only beginning. In the coming days and months, humanity will watch, learn, and possibly interact with something far beyond our comprehension.